Are you looking for the best 65-inch TV? In this video, we will look at some of the 3 best 65-inch TV on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. The LG G3 TV is a great choice for those looking for a high-quality television. It offers a large screen size and impressive picture quality, which is complemented by deep colors and sharp details. The G3 TV also has a sleek and stylish design that can easily fit into any living room setup. Additionally, its numerous connectivity options allow for easy connection to other devices, making it a versatile choice. Overall, the LG G3 TV offers great value for money and an engaging viewing experience. The key feature of the LG G3 TV that makes it a great choice for viewers is its exceptional picture quality. The TV boasts a large screen size that showcases high-resolution visuals with deep colors and sharp details. The TV also features a range of color-boosting technologies, including full-array dimming and quantum dot technology. These features work together to create a stunning viewing experience, whether you are watching a movie, TV show, or playing a video game. Additionally, the LG G3 TV is designed with a sleek and modern design that can easily fit into any living room decor, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking for a top-quality television. The Samsung QN90C TV is an excellent television for those looking for the ultimate viewing experience. Boasting a large screen size and 4K resolution, the TV provides exceptional picture quality with deep colors and crystal-clear details. The TV also features impressive technology, including Quantum HDR, which enhances the colors and contrast of movies and TV shows, and Direct Full Array 16x, which optimizes the TV's backlights, creating brighter whites and deeper blacks. In addition, the TV has a sleek design that can easily fit into any living room setup. The QN90C also comes equipped with Samsung's Smart TV platform, allowing you to access a range of streaming apps and services. Overall, the Samsung QN90C is an excellent choice for those who want a top-quality TV with the latest technology, stunning picture quality, and a sleek design. The Hisense U8 TV is an excellent television that provides excellent value for its price. The U8 TV features a 4K UL display with Dolby Vision HDR, offering outstanding picture quality with sharp details and bright, vivid colors. The TV also has a fast refresh rate, making it an ideal choice for gamers or those who enjoy watching fast-paced sports. Additionally, the U8 TV features a sleek design with slim bezels, giving it a modern and elegant appearance that can effortlessly blend into any room decor. Moreover, the Hisense U8 TV comes with built-in speakers that provide a clear and balanced sound quality with options for surround sound and bass extension. Furthermore, the U8 TV runs on the Android TV operating system, which provides an intuitive and easy-to-use user interface that gives you access to a vast collection of apps and streaming services. It also comes with a dedicated Netflix button that provides quick access to your favorite shows and movies. Overall, the Hisense U8 TV is an outstanding television that offers great value with its stunning picture quality, stylish design, and rich features. Its balanced sound quality and integration with smart home devices make it an ideal choice for those who want an affordable, feature-packed, and advanced smart TV. That's the end of this video. If you want to know more about these products, check out my description link.